Hi guys, July 3rd, 2014. Well, this is an addendum to the video that I posted earlier. This is in Money News. It was just posted yesterday. Why this next stock market crash will happen any day now. Not going to read the whole article. I will link to it below. There is overwhelming evidence that the next stock market crash could strike any day now, and a growing number of investors are turning to a noted economist to prepare for the unthinkable. The message is clear. Despite the Dow hitting pre-crash highs, companies reporting positive earnings, and the financial media saying we are looking at the beginning of a new bull market, the stock market is on the verge of another historic collapse. The evidence is in a group of charts released by some of the biggest names on Wall Street. Individually, the charts don't mean much, but taken collectively, they are simply too much for any investor to ignore. I'm not going to go into the charts. I just want to bring your attention to Robert Whittemire, who along with a team of economists correctly predicted the collapse of the U.S. housing market, equity markets, and consumer spending that almost sank the United States during the Great Recession. Recently recorded a controversial interview in which he predicts that the coming market crash will result in a 90% stock market drop, 50% unemployment, 100% annual inflation starting this year. Okay. Whittemire also does not have very nice words for Ben Bernanke. Actually calls him out, saying that his money from heaven will be the path to hell. And from his mouth to God's ears. Hopefully that will happen. Please get your money out of the banks. Please don't. Look, you have nothing to lose. You take your money out of the bank. If nothing happens, nothing happens. If something happens, then you still have your money. If the market crashes, you don't. Remember, the BRICS nations are protecting themselves from a dollar collapse. Why do you think they're doing that? Do you think they're just crazy conspiracy theorists? Thinking that, oh my God, the dollar's going to collapse, put the heads of those nations in a mental institution? They're nut jobs? Brazil, Russia, India, China. They're taking steps to protect themselves from a dollar collapse. Don't you think it's wise that you do too? Could you pass on this information? It's stunning to me how people just are ignoring this. And I'm not talking about anybody, I'm talking about people that I talk to who are trying to talk to other people. They're simply ignoring it. They just don't believe it. They won't hear it. They just go on about their business. They smile at people like, oh, isn't it cute what you think about the stock market crashing? My God, there's so much evidence. So, protect yourself, please. Have a great night.